No way.
Ilang ba?
No way.
Louie. Ayan. And Albert. Welcome, Albert. And Annabelle Lebanon and Arnel Arenal. Raquel Barros and Elmer Barros. Si Ate Jubilin Harris and Josephine Pian. Si Kuya David Go, ang son ng ating Pastor Primo, and Hannah Mangawang. Asa na si Hannah? Sa kaya mo, di ba makita ko siya tomorrow as she's working. Marie Chris and Rodel Pique. Yan. Mary Grace Sonyo and Cheryl Ariarte. Maurice Fernando and Jaisel Ann Lianza. And Jose Francisco Menla and Agnes Menla. And Ate Esther, so we go. The youngest Nina, the youngest godmother. Amen. So we will let the godparents hold their lit up candles po. Is this a symbolism, right? When you hold the candle, di ba? Parang we're saying there that you will serve as a guide for Ivy Grace on her growing up years. If you notice po, we have so many godparents. Why? Because we recognize that solely the parents cannot raise a kid.